Hi guys, Lipsy Lou here. Thanks for joining us today. Are you ready to hear the sound of the day? I know I am. Hands ready for clapping. Mr. Mouth.
Mr. Mouth. Mr. Mouth. Mr. Mouth. What sound will come out today, Mr. Mouth? Mr. Mouth. Mr. Mouth. Mr. Mouth. Mr. Mouth. What sound will come out today, Mr. Mouth? Mr. Mouth.
My name is Mr. Mouth and I'm here to give you the sound of the day. Thank you so much for joining us, Mr. Mouth. We're so excited. Can you give us some clues first? I certainly can. I know. My teeth are on my bottom lip, just like this. Ooh. Okay. And it's a quiet sound. A quiet sound. I think I know what it is. Is it the sound? Yes, it is. And that's my favorite sound because I look like a bunny rabbit. Watch me. Oh, Mr. Mouth, you do look like a bunny. Let's see if we can be bunnies and get our top teeth and our bottom lip like this. It's the sound. And time for our magic bag. Let's see what's inside. I wonder what things we have inside that start with the sound. Oh, our first thing is very light and very soft. Let's see what it is. It's a feather. Feathers can float. Watch this. What else do we have in our magic bag? Oh, this is something that we use when we eat. It's something that has 3 pointy endings. That's right. It's a fork. Oh, this is a noisy little bugger. What is it? Ribbit, 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 ribbit. Lives in a pond. Any guesses? Starting with the sound. You're right. It's a frog. Ribbit, ribbit. Let's see what else is in our bag. Oh, this next thing is very pretty. And it grows in your garden. They're very colourful too. Flowers. I'm going to pop those on my head. Flowers. Oh, this is something very special to me. This is something that I put a photo in. It's a frame. And inside the frame is my sister. Me and my sister. That's my family. Thank you so much for coming and watching our episode today of The Sound of the Day. I hope you'll join us again soon. Okay, say bye, Mr. Mouth. Bye, everyone. See you again. Bye.
G-O-O-D-B-Y-E, goodbye, goodbye. It's been so fun, please come again, goodbye, goodbye. Hands up high, wave side to side, goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. G-O-O-D-B-Y-E, goodbye, goodbye. It's been so fun, please come again, goodbye, goodbye. Hands up high, wave side to side. G-O-O-D, goodbye. G-O-O-D-B-Y-E, goodbye.